Let's learn together. Omnicademy deals with competitive exams like UGC NET JRF, ICAR NET, ASRB NET for Paper 1 and Paper 2. In Paper 2, emphasizing home science, every sub-branch will be discussed, which consists of 5 branches of specialization viz. Food and nutrition, human development, clothing and textile, extension and communication, and last but not the least, family resource management. Every subject has its own demand and salient features for examination. Key points will be addressed along with some previous year questions and mock tests by the educator. Omnicademy provides a comprehensive platform for every learner to focus on their weak subjects. One-to-one tailor-made guidance will be provided. To join Omnicademy, just press the subscribe and bell icon for getting updates. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start with great. All the best. Let's start a journey for a better future. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay